Good morning,
Dear students.
Today we are
Today
again
we are
discussing
going to complete
the
the
worksheet
worksheet
of unit number 6 of
unit number 6
adverbs.
adverb.
Now,
So first of all, we are going to recapitulate all the things. So what the adverbs are? And adverbs tell you more about a verb. They never describe a noun or pronoun. Now, what does the adverbs do? They tell us more about verb. Now, another thing, and adverbs tell you where, when, or how an action happens or is done. Again, where, when, and how an action happens. They tell us this all is told. Told to us by the adverb. So, what the adverbs tell? How, where, and when an action happens. Okay, you know that where is related to place, when is related to time, and how. Okay, so these things never forget. When, where, and how an action takes place, this is told to us by an adverb. Now, dear students, this worksheet was given to all of you yesterday. Now I'm going to discuss this worksheet once again. I usually go for a walk. I rarely play game in computer. I never fight with others. I sometimes read newspaper. I often watch TV. In this worksheet, you have to write the sentences about your friends. I hope that many of you have written the sentences also. Now, in this you can say that first word, I always enjoy a reading book. Okay, so what does he enjoy? He enjoys a reading book. Okay, and now always is here, adverb. Next, usually is adverb. Next, rarely word we have circled. This one is also adverb. Next, never is adverb. Sometimes and often. These all the words whatever we have circled here, they all are adverb. You all have to circle these words also on your books, because they are telling us about the verb, that when that verb was done. Okay, always, usually, rarely, never, sometimes, often. These adverb are the adverb of time. Okay, now next one is worksheet number 7. In this worksheet you all can see a picture and we have to complete the passage by using the adverb. So first one is, I had once gone to Pratik's house, but after visiting his house I decided not to go to his house dash. We have given here 8 box, and by taking the help of 8 box we have to fill the blank. So what will come here? Again. Okay, go to his, I decided not to go to his house again. He never cleans his room and is dash playing games on the computer. So here what will come? Always. Next, he dash leaves his dirty clothes on the floor. So he dash he often leaves his dirty clothes on the floor. And next one is, and dash cleans his table. Okay, and dash cleans his table. Again we have to choose adverb. So what would come here? Never, and never cleans his table. Next, he dash leaves his shoes in odd places, and dash he usually leaves his shoes in the odd places and seldom use the shoe rack. I dash wonder how he lives in that room. I sometimes wonder how he lives in that room. So all these words we have filled here, they are again are adverbs. Now we are moving toward the next worksheet. In this we have to write a suitable adverb. Rajiv watched the television happily. He was watching eagerly for his friend to arrive. He had some time. He heard someone knocking at the door. loudly. It must be my friend. He thought dash. Okay, so here again we have to he thought happily. Okay, so he thought about his friend happily, that his friend is knocking the door. He rushed to the door dash. He rushed to the door hurriedly. Okay, hurriedly means quickly, एकदम से जल्दी से, and opened the door. Okay, he rushed to the door hurriedly and opened the door dash. So what adverb will come here? Here, quickly. There was no one at the door. He was about to turn back when he heard his friend sing happy birthday sweetly. He welcomed them. We can also write here, you can, how does we welcome, how do we welcome our friend? We welcome our friend happily, warmly. So we can write here warmly, because happily we have already filled, so we will write here warmly. Now we are going to do next worksheet. You tell your friend about the dance performance you have seen. Following is a conversation you have with her. Complete it using suitable words. First sentence is, you. Last night we went to see a dance performance. Now what your friend says, how did the dancer perform? Now you. She danced very dash. So how did she dance? So we have to fill here suitable adverb, as I have told you. She danced well. We can also write, or we can also write she danced gracefully. Okay, so as whatever you think, you can fill here adverb. Okay, so again I'm repeating this sentence. How did she dance? She danced very gracefully. Okay, now, or well. Now your friend, what was the response of the audience? Now people like it so much that they clapped cheerfully. So how did they clap? They clapped cheerfully. Your friend, I wish too could have seen it. Were there any vacant spaces? You. Some seats behind us lay unoccupied for some time. Rarely, yes, but they too were soon occupied. Next, some people are in habit of always arriving late. So this was about this worksheet. Now we are moving toward next worksheet, number 3. This all worksheet was for yourself, but I myself guiding you to complete these worksheets. Now in the following passage, one word is missing in the each line, and you can see there is a slash has been placed where the word is missing. Write the missing word in the space provided. The first one has been done for all of us as an example. My mother cooks slash. So what adverb will come here? Well. She cooks well. Now here you all are watching that we have to fill the adverb in the slash. So dear students, I'm again repeating that where you all are watching the slash in this worksheet, you all have to write your adverb in that place. Now you all can see next fill up. She bakes a cake on my birthday. No, now what here we have to fill? So we all will fill an adverb in the slash given, as I have told you that we have to fill the adverb in the slash only. So she always bakes a cake on my birthday. Okay, So what adverb will come here? Always. She always bakes a cake on my birthday. Now next is I dash invite my friends to a feast. Okay, I dash. So here again adverb usually will come. I usually invite my friends to a feast. Next one, this year my house was dash full of. My house was almost full of children. So adverb almost will come here. Next, my mother had dash seen. My mother had never seen so many of us gathered at one time. So this was about today. Now dear students, your today's homework is complete and learn chapter adverbs. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you. Bye.